I am loving my skin. My face situation now, compared to this one, compared to before. I was in my 20s. I started taking care of my skin, learning how to take care of my skin naturally. And then in my 30s, I learned that black don't crack. And I was like, okay, if really black don't crack, I need to step up my game. And I started researching how to look even more younger. And then what happened in my 40s? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Mutiet the Red. I actually started looking how to maintain my good look, maintain my skin. But you know, every time, sometimes you face challenges in life. So there was a time in my life I was dealing with kids, dealing with school, where I exposed myself to sun a lot, and then my skin started to look like this, you know. So, but that was back in the days. But then, when I was going into my 40s, I was like, I need to get my youthful look back. So, what did I do? And what have I been doing? And what did I stop? That you're about to find out. So, without further ado, let's get into today's video. Today, I'm going to be sharing my simple tricks to getting my face glowing and better as time goes on. So it's just a simple thing that you have in your house, something that we all know and we all watch on YouTube. But mind you, not everything that you watch on YouTube is going to work for you. Just know your skin, learn about your skin. So these are all natural things, remedy, because I'm not going to lie to you. I have gone through the route of buying all these expensive, not so expensive, some are not expensive, but I bought all the different products I'm using on my face. But I discovered that my face is getting more prone to all of this. So I stopped, and a few months ago I started going natural. And that's because I always use natural in the past also, but I stopped, and you know, because of desperation, like I said, going to 40 is not easy, you know. So one other thing I also notice about myself, about my skin, is that every time I do facial, if I change facial like a spa, I get breakout. Just like a video I did that I went to my country, Nigeria. I did a spa. I regretted doing it. So the solution I found was, so my simple routine start with just cleansing with tomato. I apply fresh tomato on my face for about a minute, and then apply it, let it absorb into my skin all over. So now I started pressing it into my skin to massage my skin. So the purpose of me doing that is just to massage, as I said, and that also let me massage my fine lines. You know, all of these counts. You press it in, you massage your face 3 to 5 minutes. You're gonna see you do that 3 to 4 times a week. I mean, depends on how bad you need it. So from the research, tomato it's actually good for your skin. It helps eliminate all those blemishes. So yeah, after that, I wash it off. Yeah, I wash it off and then dry it off, and then the next step is applying my turmeric. Yeah, turmeric and honey. Yeah, mixture of both. So turmeric and honey is what I use. Some actually put lemon, but I don't. I only use turmeric and honey. So because I tend to have some dark part of my face that needs to tone. I just want my skin to tone altogether. And then one other thing I observe from using turmeric from time to time is that it helps shrink my growth. I have a growth on my forehead, and I also have on my neck. So if you're looking to reduce the growth you have on your skin, try turmeric. It has worked for me, so I can tell about that. That's about that. So yeah, I applied the turmeric all over my face. Yeah, make sure it's all around, and then I've actually see a lot of improvement with this turmeric. There will be a time I do it twice. There will be a time I do it once. Depends on, like I said, how you need it. So yeah, frequently doing this has really helped my skin improve a lot. So I'm gonna share a video on my skin routine, the soap and the cream I use for my body. Yeah, my skin is, like I said, I'm loving my skin. I'm glowing. So yeah, I wash that off with lukewarm water, and then wash with my cleanser, the one from Target or Cetaphil, and then I dab my face, I wipe it with paper towel, and this is the result. This is my face situation now. All I did was wash my face with my Cetaphil in the morning. If I'm not using turmeric or anything, morning and night Cetaphil or the one at Target, and then after that I just apply my sunscreen or my night lotion. That is it. And my face is getting better. I can tell. Even I used to have this the fine line that causes, well, I mean, it was sun that caused that because I don't always use sunscreen back when I was in college. But I kind of find there's no fine lines. So you see, this is see, see, yeah. So yeah, all of this pays off. So if you don't have the time and you don't have patience and you don't believe in natural stuff, maybe you should just continue with your chemical, pure chemical cream, or those ones that help your skin. But for me, I am done with that desperate route of trying to make my skin better, which is even getting better now. You mean, like, I am loving my skin. There's nothing anyone can tell me. And also, this is me saying that you need to love your skin, learn how to take care of your skin. So and I'm going to be sharing other things I use. If you're interested in more content of my beauty vlog, I will be sharing that also. Comment below, let me know if this is interesting, if you want to know more about my beauty tips, and then if you want to know more about my creative side, my productive side, about my mindset, about manifesting what I'm manifesting in my life, and then about everything and anything I have been involved in, just to share with you guys. So if you enjoy this kind of content and you want to see more of my content, be sure to subscribe, click the notification, and give this video a like. So yeah, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Bye bye.